No, this day sucks when it's boring. Nothing to do. Hey, what is it, Mario? Check out this Rubik's Cube that I found. Oh, I've heard of one of those. So, what do you want to do? You know, we could mix it up. Why would we want to mix it up? Because then you could solve it. Oh, that is correct. Let's do it. Okay. What happened? I think it's being, how do I put this? Scrambled. Okay, and... What? This whole thing is scrambled. How are we supposed to solve it? Algorithms? Oh yeah, let's see, which side is it usually? I think it's white says. Why not? Sorry for too close to the camera. We're working with what we could working with so far. We recently found a camera, but I think we need our Chromebook. I don't know. Oh, heck. Okay, so let me put this here. Then let's get the whites. Let's put this here. Then we put this here. Then this here. Then this here. Then we move this right here. Then what else? Oh. Then what do we do? Then we do this. Then hey, please, you want to solve it? Okay, I guess I'll give it a try. Let me put this. Then this. Then almost got the side end. We did it! We solved the side. We solved the layer. Yeah, we freaking solved it. Yeah! Whoa! Okay, what next? Let's do the second layer. Good. Okay, so let's turn it. How do we get that there without... I think it's like... Good. Now let's put this like that. Then you know what? We put this right here. Then the next thing we know, we put this like that. And with that, complete the second layer. One more layer left and we are done. Oh, let's do that. Then do it again. Then you know what? We're gonna do that again. Okay then, let's see then. Okay then, why do those look like that? We're gonna fix that so it's okay, so it's like then that, then this. This is getting kind of easy, so let's see. We're almost done. Okay, just a few more solves. Then, okay, let's do this. Okay, your turn. Leave it to me. You've almost got it. Sorry guys with the background music. Oh my god! We solved it! Guys! We solved it! We solved it! Yeah! Yeah! We solved it! We really need to calm down, don't we? Yeah. Okay. Okay guys. That'll be the video. If you haven't subscribed, then make sure to subscribe so that we can hit 100 subscribers. And yeah, anyway guys, that'll conclude today's episode. This is y'all guys are awesome. Peace out, guys. Whee! Oh!